affiliate software that allows you to build unlimited funnels. It has a done for you white label course, an opt-in page, and a bridge page. That way you can give out as your own. Now, let me explain what that means. So a real quick overview of what an opt-in page, a bridge page is. Now, if you're new to my channel, you're not sure, if you've never heard of affiliate marketing, this is a quick overview of how it works. Okay, essentially, you want to drive customers or traffic to this opt-in page. Okay, this is a page where you're going to go collect an email. Okay, so once you collect an email, you can start building up this customer database, right? And this email list allows you to then promote to them, right? You can then market to them as many times as you want, okay? So the cool thing about the Funnel Freedom software is all these emails are done for you, and all these emails are then promoting multiple different products. But I want you to understand how the Funnel Freedom software works, right? It takes the best part of an affiliate marketing business and it does it for you in literally just seconds, okay? But I want you to look at this graphic, and we're gonna come back to this because you're gonna understand how Funnel Freedom works once you understand this graphic, okay? So going back to step one, again, I mentioned my dad signed up for this free trial, okay? Now you'll see this software does a lot of cool things where you can leverage pre-made YouTube videos as your own. You can promote multiple high ticket offers. It has an unlimited funnel building built in, all kinds of things that you're gonna need for your business. Now, I don't wanna talk about the ins and outs of every little thing, but that's some of the things that this software can do, okay? So that's step one. Let's move over to step number two of how my dad got his first high ticket affiliate marketing sale. All right, so step number two, and this is the coolest part, is once you signed up for a Funnel Freedom account, which I'll leave a link down in the YouTube description down below. Once you sign up for an account, you're gonna be able to go to the Funnel Freedom settings here on the bottom left. And as you can see, this is where you put your information, okay? This is the magic of the tool. You put your first name, last name, some of your social media links. You could put your photo in here. And then here's the coolest part, okay? If you go to the affiliate link settings on the top right, this is the magic of the software, okay? This is where you can add your affiliate links. Affiliate links for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, programs like Legendary Marketer, right? System.io, repurpose.io, right? Get Response, InVideo, TubeBuddy. Some of these you may or may not heard of. Now, the cool thing is I've been able to build a business of affiliate products that pay me every single month. Okay, so these are some of my favorite ones. Secrets of Success by Russell Brunson, right? So what I'm trying to say is the magic of the software is all you have to do is add your affiliate links inside of here and you press update affiliate links, okay? What happens, okay, and this leads me to the next step, okay, step number three, is you then have an entire affiliate business done for you. Now, going back to this graphic here, this is exactly what the software does for you, okay? So it's gonna create your opt-in page, it's gonna create your bridge page, it's gonna create all these email follow-ups that you see right here, and it's gonna let you leverage these YouTube videos as your own, okay? So I'm gonna show you how that works, okay? So the cool thing is my dad has no idea how to do any of this. Like, he has no idea how to put a funnel together or send emails, but the software did it for him. This is the coolest thing, okay? So all he has to do is literally just worry about this part. How do we get customers to our opt-in page? Now, let me show you what his opt-in page looks like, okay? So again, the software completely generates all of this for you, okay? It generates this page, it adds your picture in there, it puts the name in here. It even gives you a free course that you can give out as your own, okay? So what you're trying to do is you're trying to give away this course, okay? It's a white label course that has your affiliate links, okay? Now, let me show you something really cool. Let's just say we go to part 7 of this course right here, okay? So if I click on part 7, you'll notice here, if I click on this affiliate link, okay, it's gonna go directly my dad's affiliate link here at the top, okay? So if we zoom up there, you can see Chris Montoya, that's my dad's name, okay? And if we click on this one right here, again, this will go to a different affiliate link. right? You can see Chris97, right? That's his affiliate ID. So when someone buys, he gets the commission, okay? So that's the beauty of this software. All the links are automatically injected not only into the free course, but again, into all these email follow-ups that will then send out on your behalf, okay? So that's the coolest thing. Now, once this is set up, and I'm gonna get to the part where we talk about how he got the instant traffic, but I wanna show you one more thing that's super cool, right? Now, what we've done is we've sent out a series of emails. Now, it kind of looks like this, okay? Where the first email is basically giving away the free course that you promised, okay? That's all it is. And then you'll notice we then send people to the first offer. And then we send people a story, right? So we want to send them not only an offer, we want to talk about giving them value, right? Giving them free things, free value, helping them make decisions, right? Like we don't want to just send offer after offer after offer, okay? And you'll notice as we keep scrolling, this one right here, for example, it's a video going to Legendary Marketer, okay? Now you'll notice here, it's like, okay, well, if it's going to a YouTube video, how do I get the credit? Now here's the coolest thing, right? So if I pull up this video, this is the video right here. Now the video gives somebody value. It shows them how they can make money. But the cool thing again is this link down here. Again, this goes back to your affiliate link, okay? Because the magic of the software, and I'm going to show you one more time, is you literally, the link you would use for Legendary Marketer, that's now injected on these YouTube pages, okay? Super, super powerful, okay? So I just want to show you how cool that is. So now that you understand what the software actually does, now all you have to do is get traffic, right? Again, the software creates an opt-in page where you send people to. That opt-in page is saying, hey, you give me your email and I'm going to give you a free course, right? That's the free course that you're giving as your own. That's all automatically generated by the software. And then once somebody enters an email, that's stored on your email list. Okay, let me show you one more time where that's at. So in the Funnel Freedom software, if we go to contacts right here, these are all your emails that you have. Again, my dad has built an email list of over 250 people. So this is all done in the Funnel Freedom software. So the last thing is traffic, right? So we got to get traffic to this opt-in page, right? That's the purpose of this whole thing. If we can get more traffic, we can make more money over time, right? That's the whole purpose of this entire business. How can we get as much traffic as humanly possible? Now, in this example, when I set this up for my dad, I just wanted him to get a fast result. Now, over time, I did tell him, hey, you need to create YouTube videos, you need to create Instagram Reels, you need to start creating your personal brand. And he started to do that. But for the purposes of this test and this case study, we wanted to get instant traffic, okay? So what we did next is we ordered a solo ad. Now, if you've never heard of a solo ad, it's essentially instant traffic. So what you do is you go to a website like Udemy, and I'm going to show you in just a second, and you can order clicks. You can order traffic to any link that you want. Let me show you. All right, so I'm in Udemy right here, and this is where you can go. And if you go to find sellers, you can go find people, and basically you can send them to any link that you want. Okay, so the link that we're sending people to, again, is going to be this link right here. Okay, this is the opt-in page, right? We want to send traffic here. In my dad's case, his opt-in page is this one right here. We're giving out this free course, right? It's a 100% free course. So we want to get people's emails. So when we're in Udemy, we want to send them to that free course. I want to show you exactly what we did, okay? And this is going to totally make sense. If I go to orders right here, you can see we did one order and we sent 300 clicks. As you can see right here, we sent 300 clicks to that page. And I'll show you proof right here, okay? So if I click on this order right here and I go to info, you'll see here that we sent people to this link right here. Now, if I click on this link, you'll notice it goes to my dad's free course. So when I enter an email here, it'll go to his contact list, okay? And the first email I get is this welcome email where it gives us the free course. And then after that, it starts the series of emails where they go to multiple different products, okay? That's the power of the software itself, okay? So I want you to understand that's exactly what we did here. So what you'll notice here is we bought 300 visitors for $138, okay? One thing I want to note is Udemy or solo ads, sometimes they don't give you the best results and sometimes they do, okay? So I want to be 100% transparent here. We did this with the intent that we were not going to get any sales at all. And I told my dad, I was like, you're going to get contacts on your email list, but you may or may not get a sale because that's just the nature of solo ads. It's super cold traffic. But for the purposes of this video, we decided to put the money down and he got a sale, so which is super cool. Now, if you're in this for the long term, I 100% recommend that you create short form videos, free content, YouTube videos to get people to your affiliate link or to your free course. Okay, that's the best way to do it long term, unless you have lots of money and you don't have that much time. Okay, so that's just being 100% transparent with you and what I would recommend. Okay, but going back to what we did with Udemy, we sent instant traffic to his affiliate link, okay? Now, the cool thing about this is you'll notice, again, inside the contacts, these are all people that we can contact. We have their name, we have their email, and not only that, if I go to automation here on the left side here, and I go to this Freedom Ascension, you'll see these people are continuing to get these series of emails, right? So right now, you'll see there's 131 people waiting for 2 days, and then they're gonna receive this email, and then they'll wait another day and they'll receive this email, and they'll wait 2 days and they'll receive this email. But all these emails are going back to my dad's affiliate link for those specific programs. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how my dad got his first high ticket affiliate marketing sale using our unfair software, Funnel Freedom. I'm super excited because my dad has been trying to make money with so many different things online, and he was able to get his first sale by using this software. So super excited for my dad. I hope he can make more and more over time as he starts creating more content. But if you want a chance to use this software yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down in the YouTube description down below. Sign up for a free trial, check it out for yourself. It'll literally take you minutes to set up an entire affiliate business. Now, if you want more help, if you want a step-by-step guide on how you can start your affiliate marketing business from scratch, definitely check out my 72-hour challenge. And those 3 days, I show you exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing. And then on day number 2 is where I show you how to set up the software as well. I show you how to set up the entire process and how you can start making money as fast as humanly possible. I'll leave a link to that down below as well. But with that being said, thank you so much for